I'm aboard my tractor, the sun is shining bright. We're rolling through the green grass, oh what a happy sight. Look behind the big red barn, who is waking up? It's Bessie the Cow. Tractor wheels are spinning, rolling down the track. Farm friends in the front, farm friends in the back. Splash in the brown mud, what is that pink tail? It is Percy the Pig, next to the water pail. The pig says, wiggling his cute nose. Can you say oink? Give it a go. Tractor wheels are spinning, rolling down the track. Farms in the front, farm friends in the back. Hiding in the meadow, soft and round and white. It is Pip the sheep. The sheep says baa, eating clover sweet. Can you say baa? Trotting by the wooden fence, tall and very strong, Barnaby the horse is galloping along.
The horse says neigh, shaking his black mane. Can you say neigh? Let's hear it plain.
Bessie says moo. Percy says oink. Pip says baa.
Barnaby says neigh.
Penelope says oink. Clara says moo. Rolling down the track, farm friends in the front, farm friends in the back. The sun is going down now, painting the sky gold. We love the farm friends, hip hip hooray! Thanks for riding with me.